Have you ever wondered if there's a deeper meaning behind everything that is happening? People's behavior, why certain events occur, and why some people succeed while others don't? The short answer is yes, but since you clicked on this video, I guess you're in for the long answer. And whether you believe in numerology or not, this series will challenge your belief about the world and how it works. Ancient civilizations knew exactly how the universe works and practiced it on such a high level that we have currently just discovered parts of it or are on the edge of rediscovering what they already knew thousands of years ago. And I'm not only talking about numerology, although it's a part of it. I'm talking about understanding the world we live in a total different way than we're used to. Something that both Nikola Tesla and Einstein understood. They shared one very similar perspective on the world, that everything is energy. Nikola Tesla once said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What is it that Tesla, who was born in 1856, knew that we are still struggling to understand today? Let's look at the quote again. If you want to find the secrets of the universe. But what secrets? How the universe works, what it is, the secrets of how to become wealthy or to achieve a great health, or perhaps all of it. He actually gave us a huge hint of where to look for these answers. Think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Which means that we can discover all the secrets of the universe simply by having energies, frequencies, and vibrations in mind. And that is exactly the way you will learn to think by watching this series.